Lucky this works. Beautiful, isn't it? Thank you, Jesus Christ. Last time in Long Lamoureux, it worked and then it didn't work by the electricity, which is the position. No, not really. It's a kakandong or something in electrifying the cord. PVU L128, which is the grid of the signal to translate itself into the ProView data, is selecting the internal frame. The mothership will begin again in relation to the door to heaven based upon the machine. If the machine is Bell 21829, it is the board of the fifth moon. Beautiful, isn't it? Got to set up the kitchen table tomorrow. Thank you, Jesus Christ, for this one.